Understanding Cryptocurrency and Blockchain Technology, a Beginner's Guide. In recent years, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology have become buzzwords in the tech and finance world. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, have disrupted traditional banking and financial systems, while blockchain technology has the potential to transform a wide range of industries. In this video, we'll provide a beginner's guide to understanding cryptocurrency and blockchain technology and the potential impact they could have on the future. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currency, it is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any central authority or government. Instead, transactions are recorded on a decentralized public ledger called a blockchain. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies in circulation, each with its own unique features and purposes. How does blockchain technology work? Blockchain technology is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains multiple transactions and is linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. This system ensures that each transaction is secure, transparent, and tamper-proof, as each block is verified by multiple parties before it is added to the chain. Why has cryptocurrency gained popularity? Cryptocurrency has gained popularity for several reasons. First, it offers a decentralized and secure alternative to traditional banking and financial systems, which many people view as outdated and unreliable. Second, it allows for fast and easy international transactions, without the need for intermediaries such as banks or currency exchange services. Finally, many people see it as a potential investment opportunity, as the value of some cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed in recent years. What are the risks associated with cryptocurrency? While cryptocurrency has many potential benefits, it also comes with risks. The most obvious risk is volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly, sometimes even within a single day. This makes it a risky investment, as you could potentially lose a significant amount of money if the value of your cryptocurrency plummets. Additionally, cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets are susceptible to hacking and theft, so it's important to take proper security measures to protect your digital assets. What is the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology? The future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is still uncertain, but many experts believe it has the potential to transform a wide range of industries. Some companies are already exploring the use of blockchain technology for secure data sharing and authentication, while others are using cryptocurrency for online transactions and payments. As more people become familiar with cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, we can expect to see even more innovation and development in the years to come. Conclusion. In conclusion, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are fascinating and rapidly evolving fields that have the potential to transform the way we live and do business. While there are risks and uncertainties associated with these technologies, they also offer many potential benefits, including increased security, transparency, and efficiency.